Good morning, everyone. It's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh, and I think we're on day 6. We'll count real quick of a double page layout. So if you see this, you know it's me. That sign is 10 years old. So I am doing a Simply Astrid scrapbook kit, and I am doing a double page layout each day. I took, here's a picture, of over 350, 400 embellishments and ephemera and uh, photo items and anyway, all the words and everything. Uh, and I counted and I added 2 extra sheets, so it's a 24 pages of layout and not a 20. So it's 12 back to back, so that's 24. And I said what matches best for me and how many I can put 5.5 on each page and all that. So I made it work. So if you want to follow along to see what works or what doesn't work for you. So this was page 1, and it is also on the back, a double page layout. Always remember to use one of these signing cards to put to and from who you made it for. Here is the second page. Here's the third. Here's the fourth. Here is the fifth. And here is the sixth that we are doing today. So you can screenshot that. And let's get started. I will tell you exactly what's what. So on the back is what we did yesterday. So there you go. And here is what we're doing today. So we need the sweet and the dream. We need 4 of the squares, the photo mats. The word mat, I couldn't think of it. 4 of those. We need 2 of these, 1 for each page. We need a 3-inch, let me measure and make sure. Three-inch, and that's the back side. 1 for each page. Let's see, we need 1, 2. We need 2 of these, 1 for each page. We need 1 each of these, and they are going the same direction for each page, and 2 of these going the same direction for each page. We need I have 3, but I only need 2 of these, I think. Let me make sure. Nope, we need 4. We do need 4. Let's see. We need 4 of these. 2 for each page, and then we need 1 of these for each page, so it's 2. And then we have 1 of the journaling cards. This is the paper. Let's make sure it's going up, and you can see that the bottom's stems are going down. So let's get started. Let me move this out of the way, and we'll do this. So this was yesterday's, and now today. So I already prepped, and I put tape on the back of this. And I am going to put it at the top. Then I'm going to take this sticky sticker, 12-inch long. My husband's here, so if you hear squeaking of the chair, that's what he's doing. He's working today. And here. So I'm going to put this right here. Okay. And then let's go ahead and put the cards So what I need to do is get some tape I have, and this is just from Walmart, and I'm going to put it in the four corners and one in the middle. And we have it centered about 1 inch from the top, 1 inch from the bottom, and centered in the middle, and they are touching, and I'm trying to have equal distance, and they're touching. Okay, I'm looking over to the side as what does it look like. So I'm going to take this one off, and I'm going to show you two different ways to make this page. So this is going to go here, and it is not going to interrupt any pictures because you can lay that on top. You can lay that on top if you need to. So we're going to put this here, and we're going to use one of these like this. Okay, and I am not going to take the sticker off. I'm going to use hot glue and just put a dab in the middle, and I'm going to set it right about there. And the reasoning for it is if I need a photo, the photo can be stuck underneath that on either side, and it is not in its way. And we're going to do the same thing with the rose, and the rose is going to go right here. A little bit of glue. The reason why I don't take the sticker off is it won't catch lint and dust and all after the fact. So now we're going to put the word sweet. These are finicky and they can rip easy, so let's not do that. And what I want to do, it's stuck to my finger, is I want to get these little pieces off if they have it. And I think I got them all. See? And I am going to use my square right here, and it's going to be 1, 2, 3. So right in the middle, I'm going to put the S right in the middle, right like that. Then I'm going to take this and put here, and it's a sticker. Now let me look and see. I have this here, I have this here, and what this does is pull together everything. I have this right here, and I'm going to have this right here. So that's my thought process. And we were able to use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 embellishments on one page and 8 on the next one that we're going to do, and it all coordinates together and leaves us that much to do each double page layout. So that's why you kind of want to follow me, because I am using up everything that comes in this kit. And we only had a few pieces left over, and I went back and forth. I had 3 items, then I had 4, then I went with a little more. Let's see, we're going to put that one there, and then we're going to put this one right about here. And this page is done. Okay, so there you go. But, so we need to do the second page, and we can put it identical to this one and put it up here, and then put dream here and do the same decorating, but I had it where it went down here and we put dream here and then everything the same over here. So that's what I'm going to do, but if you want, you could keep it exactly the same. And that is in other pages that I do. It is exactly, but I try to change it up so everything's not totally matchy-matchy. So that's why I did this page like I did, because I'm sure on a couple of other pages it is up at the top together or up at the bottom together or side by side. So let's get this one started. This is the 3-inch, a little bit of tape. This is the sticker, border stickers. And I want to make sure the border stickers go in the same direction on each page. There you go. We're going to get the word dream. Let's see if I can pop these out before. I think I got to pull it off first. You got to be careful because you don't want to rip it. And let's put it right here real quick and take out the extra pieces. They kind of want to stick to everything. I think I got it all. See, there's one piece that's stuck. So, and once again, I'm going to use my square and know that this is the middle of it. Just try to totally line that straight. There we go. Let's get this and put them, get the tape. And I'm going to try, I'm going to line these two up right here. And I am going to, old handy dandy old ruler, I use it a lot. And it's about 1 inch. And I am going to eyeball it. So 6 is the middle, so I'm just going to put these two in the middle and go up higher so that it will match. There you go. That was easy. And now we're just going to decorate it the same, but on this one's on the opposite side. When you first look at these, fit and go, but knowing that you can put 8 or 9 embellishments is a big help. So did I leave anything? Oh, the card. Where do we want to put the card? So this is not a sticker that I don't think it is. It might be, but I'm going to go ahead and put tape on it because I'm not sure. And this went right here. The journaling card went right there. So let's glue this down, and we're going to be done with this page, and then I'll work on the next one and upload them on a daily basis. So comment if you're following me along, if you've subscribed. Remember, we're going to use a little bit of glue, and we're going to put it right about here so that the picture can get underneath it if we need to be, because we don't know what picture we're going to use yet. I'm going to give these to my granddaughters. I have 2 books and that's why I can show you one already done, because I have 2 books, and so I have 2 granddaughters, and you know what? I don't know what pictures they're going to use. So let's glue down the last 4 pieces, and we are done with this. Doesn't have to be perfect. And after it's all glued and taped down is when I go back and smush it and make sure it's all doing pretty good and really secure. I did not use any dies of Anna's. This is from annagriffin.com. I didn't use any dies of Anna's because this is a full kit, and I wanted the kit to be used for beginners that may not have any of this, and because I have like every die she's ever made, but I just, you know, I wanted y'all to be able to work with this. Let's see, I wonder if I have, if I can raise this and move it. Yes, it needs to be scooted over a little bit. Usually it's already wanting to really stick down, but you do have a few seconds before it really wants to stick. And let's put that there. And then this one, and we are done. Got lucky on that. So let's just add that. So there's your double page layout. This I need to glue or push way down, because, and if it doesn't want to stick because of the humidity you have in your area, just use hot glue, because I do believe in hot glue. And everything is stuck and ready. So there you go, guys. That is today's video. This is from annagriffin.com, and if you would like it, go to annagriffin.com. All my links are down below. Have a blessed day.